asuntoskäyttiö soppeempaa jo Murtomäentie eteen Ylöjärvi.
Finland, 4 persons or 325 kilograms. Let's write it. Valmet Learn. This is Valmet actually 1983 VS 6519 4 persons or 325 kilograms. There is no elevator from 1982 here. Only 83. They skipped 1982.
Yeah.
So strange. But this is maybe from early 1983. Going to be inspected in 2021. This has turned 35 years in the last year, 2018.
Yeah.
Maybe this construction got late of this building. Was supposed to be 82, but it was 83 that it was ready.
Yeah.
That was also the same year, early that year, that the Swedish band ABBA disbanded. Or their career ended.
Yeah.
It was in January 1983.
Inspekteerbar kiva inspekteerida meidän eteenpäin.
Yeah.
That's it.